Here's another example of a house that has a little challenge. If you take a look at this house, you'll look, all of those ridge caps are completely tore up. Now this is UV rays that are wreaking havoc on this, but it's really because the cap shingle that they put on was in all likelihood an organic cap shingle that was not made from the same materials that you're supposed to use. The average cap shingle is made from an asphalt that's about 20% softer, and so it is meant to bend. This may have been put on a cold day, which meant that it has microfractures and micro cracks. Little ice gets in between those cracks in the winter, and then it freezes. What happens to water when it freezes? It expands. When it expands, it pushes those areas apart, and when it pushes those shingle parts apart, and that's what it ends up looking like. Then shortly after that, it ends up resulting in a leak.